would you like to be only 525 yards to WindanSea Beach? I mean, you're only 0.3 miles away from Neptune Beach, 2 blocks away from Marine Street Beach, and only 1 offer away from getting this home in La Jolla to be yours. Follow me, I can't wait to show it to you. This 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, you know what? Forget that. I'm gonna show you this beach house the right way. Hey brah, if you want to surf, skip, jump, bike, everything at the beach, this 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, newer built La Jolla home with a garage and a rooftop deck and a yard, it's waiting for you. So call Kat.